talking about dinner. Stuffed orange chicken with
Stuffed peppers.
Stuffed. I'm back. Don't mind the kid. She's doing some house maintenance. Really quick vlog today. Had to do a bunch of stuff. I have to do a bunch of stuff. Go to the bank and then go to the store. I'm cooking dinner now. Orange chicken stuffed in peppers. And let's go backwards. At lunch, I did banana and beef, carrots, veggies with a little bit of rice. And for breakfast, I had a big breakfast actually. It was scrambled eggs and spinach by itself, a protein bar, protein cookie at the gym with a banana. Today, we did some hurricanes. They were very hard, very tired. Big ups to Coach V for making us go through that, keeping us motivated. This was a real quick one. Not much to say. Really busy today, grown-up stuff, I guess. Life hits, and at least I'm gonna put something up real quick. Like Jade's putting up some of that K-pop. Jade's putting up some of that K-pop. Girl, sing that song. What's that song? Yep. Alright. Yeah. Quick video. But I did good. No cheating. No cheating. I didn't cheat. Cheating food. Alright, peace out. For y'all.